welcome to The Dynamic. So today I'm going to show you how easily we can find factorial of a number using Python programming language. So here I am using PyCharm IDE. You can use other IDEs also. So here I have already created a project. So I have to make a new file, of course Python file for this code, and I have to give a name, factorial of a number. Okay, so at first we have to take an integer input. Int input, enter the number, right? Then I will take a variable. The value of this variable m will be 1. Okay, and now I have to take a for loop. For I in range, the range will be start from n and to 1, and the value of the step will be -1. Why? Because the loop which is starting from n and continue to 1, the loop will be decreasing by 1 from n to 1. Okay, so let's enter, and then m equals to m into I. Okay, so complete, and then print m. Print the factorial of number, factorial of. Okay, so here I have to convert the n to string. For concatenate with this string factorial of. Okay, so convert n into string str. This is an inbuilt function to convert an integer to int, other data type to string. Okay, not only integer. So here string n, and again factorial of n is, again convert m to string str m. Okay, so complete, and we have to run it. Run, enter the number 5. So here you can see it is printing factorial of 5 is 120. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much.